Our understanding of the cosmos has never been fixed. It has always evolved through observation, correction, and at times, complete transformation. What once seemed certain often gives way to deeper, more refined truths as new data emerges and old assumptions are tested against reality. In the early 20th century, astronomer Edwin Hubble made one of the first serious attempts to measure the scale and age of the universe. Based on the limited observations available at the time, his estimates suggested that the universe might be only a few billion years old. Today, with far more advanced instruments and decades of accumulated research, scientists place its age at approximately 13.8 billion years. This shift is not just a correction in numbers. It is a reminder that our understanding of the universe is always provisional, always open to revision. Even within our own galaxy, the Milky Way, mysteries continue to challenge long-standing theories. Observations of stars at the outer edges reveal motions that do not align with classical expectations. According to traditional models, stars farther from the galactic center should orbit more slowly due to weaker gravitational pull. Instead, they maintain unexpectedly high velocities, moving as if influenced by something unseen. This is where the concept of dark matter becomes essential. Dark matter does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to conventional instruments. Yet its presence is inferred through its gravitational effects. It is believed to make up a significant portion of the galaxy's mass, acting as an invisible framework that holds galaxies together. Without it, the observed motions of stars would be difficult to explain. And yet, despite its importance, its true nature remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in modern physics. New data continues to complicate the picture. The Gaia mission, operated by the European Space Agency, has mapped nearly 2 billion stars with extraordinary precision. This unprecedented dataset has provided insights that challenge previous estimates of the Milky Way's mass and structure. Some findings suggest that the galaxy may be lighter than earlier calculations indicated, raising questions about how dark matter is distributed and whether our current models fully capture its behavior. As astronomers refine their understanding, a deeper truth becomes clear: the structure of the universe is far more intricate than once imagined. Beyond our galaxy, the search extends to the earliest moments of cosmic history. The James Webb Space Telescope has begun observing galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. These observations allow scientists to peer back in time, capturing light that has traveled for billions of years. What they reveal is both fascinating and unexpected: galaxies that appear more developed and structured than current theories predicted for such an early stage of the universe. At the same time, the study of distant worlds has accelerated dramatically. Thousands of exoplanets have now been identified orbiting stars across the galaxy. These discoveries have transformed our understanding of planetary systems, revealing a diversity far greater than anything seen in our own solar system. Some of these worlds exist within regions where conditions might allow liquid water to persist, raising the possibility that life could exist beyond Earth. One particularly intriguing example is WASP 96b, a gas giant located far beyond our solar system. Observations have detected water vapor, clouds, and atmospheric haze within its atmosphere. While this planet is far too hot to support life as we know it, the discovery demonstrates that complex atmospheric chemistry can exist even under extreme conditions. It strengthens the idea that more temperate, life-supporting environments may also exist elsewhere in the galaxy. . These findings lead to profound and unsettling questions. Could life exist beyond Earth? If it does, what forms might it take? And could entire civilizations have arisen and disappeared long before humanity ever developed the ability to observe the stars? Such questions blur the line between science and philosophy, forcing us to reconsider our place in a vast and ancient universe. Theoretical physics pushes these ideas even further. Concepts such as the multiverse suggest that our universe may be just one of many. According to interpretations like the many worlds hypothesis, every possible outcome of a quantum event could unfold in a separate reality. While highly speculative, these ideas challenge the limits of what we consider observable and real, expanding the boundaries of scientific imagination. Other phenomena hint at forces we do not yet fully understand. Observations of galaxy clusters have revealed a mysterious motion known as dark flow, where massive structures appear to be moving in a single direction at speeds that defy conventional models. This behavior suggests that influences beyond our observable universe may be at work, pulling matter toward regions we cannot directly detect. Despite these complexities, one fact stands out clearly: the majority of the universe is hidden from us. Dark matter is thought to account for roughly 27% of the cosmos, while dark energy makes up nearly 68%, driving the accelerated expansion of space itself. Everything we can directly observe, stars, planets, galaxies, and all known forms of life, constitutes less than 5% of the total universe. The vast majority remains invisible, detectable only through indirect effects. Understanding these hidden components may one day transform our entire conception of reality. Every new discovery expands knowledge while simultaneously revealing new mysteries. Each observation challenges established ideas and pushes scientists to rethink fundamental principles. The journey of discovery is not linear. It is a continuous cycle of questioning, testing, and refining. Among the many fascinating objects studied by astronomers is HD 140283. Often referred to as the Methuselah star. Located in the constellation Lyra, it has captured attention due to its extraordinary age. Early estimates suggested that this star might be older than the universe itself, an apparent impossibility that puzzled scientists. More refined measurements have since placed its age at around 14.5 billion years, with a margin of error that overlaps with the estimated age of the universe. While this reduces the contradiction, it does not eliminate it entirely. Instead, it highlights the limitations of current measurement techniques and the challenges involved in determining stellar ages. Unlike planets, stars do not undergo rapid visible changes over short timescales. To estimate their ages, astronomers rely on indirect methods, analyzing properties such as brightness, chemical composition, and rotation. Over time, stars gradually lose angular momentum, slowing their rotation. By comparing these characteristics across different stars, scientists develop models to approximate their lifespans. Yet, as the Methuselah star demonstrates, these methods are not perfect. They serve as powerful tools, but they also carry uncertainties. And occasionally, those uncertainties lead to results that challenge even the most fundamental assumptions about the universe. To better understand the immense scale of cosmic time, scientists often use the concept of a cosmic calendar. In this model, the entire history of the universe is compressed into a single year. The Big Bang occurs at midnight on January 1st. Galaxies form over the following months. Our solar system does not appear until the final days of December. Earth forms in the last hours of December 31st, and all of recorded human history occupies only the final seconds before midnight. This perspective reveals just how brief our existence is when compared to the age of the universe. Modern estimates of that age rely heavily on measurements of cosmic expansion. Light from distant galaxies is stretched as space itself expands, a phenomenon known as redshift. By analyzing this stretching, astronomers can determine how fast galaxies are moving away from us and estimate their distances. These observations consistently point to a universe that is approximately 13.8 billion years old. However, alternative ideas continue to emerge. Some researchers have proposed models suggesting that the universe could be significantly older, perhaps even extending beyond 20 billion years. These theories explore possibilities such as gradual energy loss in light traveling across vast distances or subtle changes in fundamental constants over time. While controversial, such ideas are essential to scientific progress. They force scientists to test assumptions, refine methods, and seek more precise evidence. At its core, the study of the universe is not just about finding answers. It is about the pursuit of understanding itself. From ancient civilizations gazing at the night sky to modern observatories capturing light from the edge of the observable universe, humanity's journey has been driven by curiosity. Every photon collected by a telescope carries information, a fragment of a much larger story that spans billions of years and countless cosmic events. As technology advances and our observations become more detailed, the boundaries of knowledge continue to expand. Yet with every new discovery comes a deeper realization. The universe is far more complex, dynamic, and mysterious than we once believed. It is not a finished system. It is evolving, shifting, and revealing itself piece by piece. And perhaps the most remarkable truth of all is this: despite its immense scale, its age, and its mysteries, the universe remains accessible to those who seek to understand it. Through observation, through questioning, and through persistence, we continue to move closer to answers, while uncovering even greater questions along the way.